Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix invalid phone number. This phone number is invalid. Please enter a new number and try again. For example, if you try to create account on your iPhone and after that you provide phone number for verification and you see this kind of error occurring to you. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply check your Wi-Fi is connected to your iPhone, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again. And you can also restart your Wi-Fi router so that your Wi-Fi or internet connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So you have to click on that, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And after going back, you can also check whether you have provided correct format of international numbers, and you have to check whether you have provided correct format of international mobile numbers. And after checking this, you can also check you have provided all the details correct, which means you have provided the correct payment method. And if the problem is still there, then you can simply go to Apple support and ask for the verification of your phone number so that they can verify your phone number in any device like MacBook or anything like that. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply check whether you have provided a correct number and it is working or it is turned on. And you can also check whether you have provided physical SIM on your iPhone and you have provided the same number, because it will be easy for you to create account while your phone number is in your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.